Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to Because Jesus Bible Journaling. Today I have a very exciting video to share with you. I am unboxing my second quarterly Artza box that was sent to me by Artza for a little fun preview to share with you guys. Now the response was so amazing to last quarter's box that came from Nazareth that this Bethlehem box, which is just so fitting for December from Bethlehem, the birthplace of Jesus, Artza just said, hey, we want to send you another box. Your audience just loved it last time, and we're excited to have you spread the word once again. So in every Artza box, every quarter, there is this little packet of special information. There's some postcards with some information of sights and things to see around Bethlehem. There's always a recipe in the box, or at least there has been so far with the first two quarterly boxes they've sent out. Different landmarks, different views of Bethlehem for you to enjoy and learn about, which is so fun. I've never been to the Holy Land, and this is such a blessing to get a little piece of it. Then there's always a preview card that talks about what's included in the box and some different ways that you can share about Artza and the awesome stuff they're doing. And then one of my favorite things is actually these stories that are included, and these are about the people, the artisans, who have created the amazing items that are included in Artza box. They all live and work in the Holy Land. They have businesses. Some of these places are getting hit hard by COVID and shutdowns and all of that. And this is just a wonderful way to support them and also learn a little bit about their stories. And what a beautiful place Bethlehem looks to be. I hope someday I can go there. Now, good news, you guys, I have a coupon discount code down in the description box. It is Monica20, and that will give you 20% off a quarterly Artza box. So the first thing in this box is this little game called Table Talk, and I was not sure exactly what it was at first, but it's these little snowflake-shaped cards, and they're asking really meaningful questions or giving you conversation prompts. And what they're used for is actually to attach to a glass at the table as you're sitting around the Christmas table, your holiday table. You place that on the top of someone's wine glass or even just a normal drinking glass, just like this one here. And it's meant to help people share about what they are going through, what are their thoughts and things like that. Now, I know some of us are not able to gather in large numbers right now with COVID, but I thought this game would be so great to just take a picture and send it to a loved one and just kind of hear from them when we can't really even connect in person. This here is a box of toffee with salt, and if you are a toffee fan, you're going to love this. It's really soft. It's not hard, and it is delicious. It tastes really great. It's not super sweet, not super salty either, but it's just kind of the perfect mix of ingredients, I think, and good job with the toffee. There's also in this box 20 postcards of Israel, and they are gorgeous. It is all black and white photography from places all around the country of Israel. And you guys, there aren't even any duplicates in this pack, which I just thought was so cool. A little bit of information on the back of what is in the picture. And I mean, I feel like some of these you could just frame and put on your wall. They are so gorgeous. But again, otherwise, you can also just send them in the mail to a loved one or a friend, maybe someone you haven't been able to connect with in person for quite some time. This is just a wonderful, wonderful collection of photos. As it says there, it was hand-picked and hand-selected for you. Also in the box is this 60% cacao, dark chocolate, and peppermint bar. So I set that aside for later, if you know what I mean. And I continued opening these things. You guys, this box was amazing. I almost feel like it was even better than the Nazareth box. It's just incredible, the amount of stuff that is in here and the quality of it and everything. I'm just so grateful that they decided to send it to me. And I'm thinking Christmas gifts. I'm thinking give an Artza box to someone you love, or piece one out for stocking stuffers. I mean, these gifts are amazing. Isn't this a gorgeous plate? This is a plate that has the word Bethlehem on it and a little Bethlehem scene. And then it has these little holes. I think it's meant to be hung on the wall. And I'm just definitely going to put it in my house for Christmas. And I just love that I have a little piece of the Holy Land now in my house, which is so cool. What do you guys think about these Artza boxes? Are you enjoying them? How many of you tried out the one from Nazareth? I'd love to hear what your favorite items were from that box. How many of you are planning on trying out this one here from Bethlehem? After seeing this video, I think you might want to try it out. It's really, really just an amazing box of goodies. Now, this is probably one of my favorite things in it. This is a candle, and it's called Bethlehem, which I know is not a very descriptive scent name, but let me tell you that I love it, and my husband loves it as well. It's just a really nice, mild scent. It's not super strong holiday scent or anything like that. It's just a really nice scent to have around your home, really any time of the year. Now, comment down below if you can tell me what this Christmas ornament is in my hand. This lighter wood color one took me a second to really look at it and figure out what this is a silhouette of. And maybe you see it right away now. Now that I know what it is, I see it right away. But at first it was taking me a second. So comment in the comments if you had that figured out right away. But regardless, these are two amazing pieces of woodworking here that I will be adding to my Christmas tree. Both of them are nativity scenes and they're just beautiful. The attention to detail is absolutely incredible. Now, this was a gift that I thought was so awesome. These are actually coasters, and each one is a scene from around Bethlehem, I'm assuming. And these coasters are awesome, you guys. These are not the cheap kind of cardboard coasters. These are like really strong and thick and durable coasters to have around your house. And I thought that was so fun, and I love the colors of them. And then the final thing that I pulled out of the box was this Rusty's nut butter. It's almonds, sesame seeds, and coconut sugar, and this is a great alternative to peanut butter if you have a peanut allergy. And even if you don't have a peanut allergy, nut butters are just awesome. So we're going to be enjoying some of this around our house as we head toward Christmas, and I'm just so excited about it. So that is everything in this box. I mean, this is absolutely packed, you guys, absolutely packed. Now, if you head over to the Artza Box website, you can automatically use their coupon code and get 10% off. But again, if you do end up ordering one of these boxes or sending one to a friend or whatever you want to do, be sure to use the coupon code Monica20, all capitals Monica20, and that will get you actually 20% off, which is such a generous coupon code. So I'm just really excited about that. Let me know what your favorite thing in this box was as I unboxed it. What would you be most looking forward to in this Artza box, you guys? What a unique subscription box. Isn't it just different from other things that you've seen before? I just love it. Hey, check out their website. It's linked down below, and I hope that you take this opportunity to order an Artza box. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Don't forget to jump into the Word of God for yourself today. It is amazing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.